We've seen the formula for determining the power in an electric circuit. By multiplying the voltage in volts by the current in amps, we arrive at an answer in watts. Let's apply. On a historical note, it was James Prescott Joule, not George Simon Ohm, who first discovered the mathematical relationship between power dissipation and current through a resistance. This discovery, published in 1841, followed the form of the last equation, P equals I squared R, and is properly known as Joule's law. However, these power equations are so commonly associated with the Ohm's law equations relating voltage, current, and resistance, E equals I times R, I equals E divided by R, and R equals E divided by I, that they are frequently credited to Ohm. Speaking of George Ohm and his formulae, which we call Ohm's law, there are the three basic equations relating voltage, current, and resistance, E equals I times R, I equals E divided by R, and R equals E divided by I. This magic circle is handy for remembering these formulae. If you cover up E for voltage, you get the formula for voltage, I times R, current multiplied by resistance. If you cover up I for current, you get the formula for current, E divided by R. If you cover up R for resistance, you get the formula for resistance, E divided by I, voltage divided by current. In a similar way, the basic formula for power, P equals I times E, is easy to remember if you just think of the word pi. Draw a circle like a pie, draw a horizontal line across it, and put P on the top half of the pie. Drop a line from the center of the circle to the bottom of the line. I and E are placed in the two bottom quarters of the pie. Covering the letter P gives the formula for power. Power equals I times E. Covering the I gives another useful formula that gives current I if you know power P and voltage E or V. Current I equals power P divided by voltage E or V. Covering the E gives another useful formula that gives voltage E or V if you know power P and current I. Voltage E equals power P divided by current I.